Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gradient text effect on CapCut PC. So type in gradient and I'm just going to select a font for it. And I'm going to select these colors, copy and paste it. Like an orange as well, and like brown, or I don't know, this color. Okay. So right click and create compound clips separately. Make sure the duration is where you want it to be. Go to video, go to mask. You can either select the mirror one or horizontal. I'll just select horizontal for this one. And we're going to layer it where we want it to be, like put the line where we want it to be, and we're going to like adjust it, like feather it out. And then we're going to select the horizontal mask again on the other color, and again we're going to feather it out, and lastly on this one. I really like this gradient color, like so. And that is pretty much it. You can adjust it however you want. Maybe like the yellow is a little bit too much and we want more of the blue. You can absolutely do that. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.